All right, here's some things you want to make sure and remember for your what is a computer video project. First of all, our definition: a computer is an electronic device for processing information. That pretty much includes anything a computer could be used for. Then remember the four main functions: input, output, memory, and processing. Probably ought to mention some of the input devices like the mouse, the keyboard, the joystick, camera, trackpad. And remember that these are all things that the computer user uses to input information. It doesn't include things like hard drives, CD-ROMs, those kinds of things. Those are memory devices. Output devices, something like monitor, speakers, printer. Then we got the two different kinds of memory. The RAM memory, or random access memory, that is fast but temporary, the memory the computer actually uses to execute programs. And storage memory, like hard drives, CDs, jump drives, it's slow but permanent. And finally, processing, which is done by the CPU, or central processing unit. Sometimes we simply refer to it as the microprocessor. All right, let's also remember how the microprocessor, storage memory, and RAM memory all work together to execute programs. CPU is, of course, the brain of the computer in a sense. It runs the show. So when you execute a program, the CPU tells the storage device, whatever it is, to take a copy of the program and put it into RAM. So remember that the program stays in storage. It's always there. RAM memory just as a temporary copy. Once the program is in RAM, then the CPU can communicate back and forth with the RAM memory and execute the program. Once you're done with the program, it's simply thrown away from RAM, but it's still in the storage memory permanently.